These are the video instructions for assignment number 10, player memo. In this assignment, you're going to create a memo that's going to go out to all the players that are on your team. In direction number 1, it says to create a copy of your letterhead. So just like I have here, make a copy of this by going to the File menu and selecting Make a Copy from the File menu, and then you'll name it Player Memo. Once you've done that, make sure your document is set up, or go ahead and add this assignment to the Google Classroom. And then in direction 3, make sure your document is set up correctly. The margin should already be defaulted to 2 inches on the top and 1 inch all the way around. The line spacing needs to be set to single, so go to the line spacing icon on your toolbar and change that to single. And then the font size should be Arial 11 point. And then direction 4 says to key the following: center aligned. So I'm going to center align this. 14 point bold. So I'm going to change the font size to 14 and to bold. And I'm going to type in all caps the word memorandum. And then it says in direction 5 to change the font back to 11 point. So you want to do this before you hit enter. So change it back to 11 point and take it off of bold. And then I want to quadruple space. So I'm going to hit enter 4 times. And I'm going to align it back to the left. After I've done that, I'm going to type the heading. So I'm just going to copy and paste this from the document I've already created. When you're typing the heading, it does say that you want to hit tab wherever you see the arrow key on the instructions. So for example, it says to, and then it has 2 arrows. So you would hit tab twice, and then from, and then hit tab twice and type in your first and last name there. And then you would hit type date, hit tab twice and type in today's date. And then the subject would be tabbed only once. So that way this is all aligned on the same line. In direction 6, it says to double space and key paragraph 1, just like you have here. Direction 7. Direction 7 says to double space after you have typed paragraph 1. So you would hit enter twice at the end of paragraph 1, and you would hit tab once because there's an arrow there. You would type last name and colon, and then just leave that blank. And then hit double space again, hit tab, and type in uniform number, and then colon, and then just leave that blank. Hit our double space, and then you would type in the 3rd paragraph when you're all done. Now, we're not done with this assignment. This is only the first part of assignment number 10. Later, we'll use the mail merge function, but for the first part of assignment 10, you're just going to get your memo typed up, and it should look like this when you're all done with it. Again, let me know if you have any questions or if you need any help, and then show me this when you're all finished. Good luck.